Hey, we're going on our first proper fishing trip in the Talon F20. It's got everything done to it except the seats cushion and the seat bracket and the decking, but it's all set up really nice. So we're out in Maximilian's Talon, and this is going to be our first proper fishing trip. He still has to get the decking done and the back seat and everything, but the boat's rigged out really nicely now. It's had everything rewired, all modern electronics put in, rod holders, underwater lights, everything rewired, all new bilge pumps for the what's that pole thing? Yeah, pump for the power pole. Yeah, everything, all batteries. Made a cabinet opening in the front of this. All his wiring's all laid out nicely. I think you saw that in the previous video. So hopefully we'll catch something pretty decent today. I think we're going to head out to the Sunshine Skyway and see what's biting out there. Anyway, wish us luck. So we got a decent little swell going out here, and considering the type of boat this is, it really isn't doing that bad. You got the Sunshine Skyway bridge there. We're out fishing the flats, so we're getting some little blue runners, but we're going out to their concrete. Catch some bigger stuff. So we're sitting out here at Fort De Soto in the mouth of Tampa Bay here. Got a pinfish on this line here. Soda over at Egmont Key. We got a half a bonita on this big rod here, maybe catch a shark. And we got it all going on. Got a few shrimp on these little ones here, weighted. So we'll see what happens. Decent old swell out here for a flex boat. So we were getting a lot of bites on the shrimps, and but just small stuff, so we didn't really videotape what we caught, but it was fun. We were catching blue runners and little things like that, and basically just relaxing out in the Florida sun, and just taking it easy for the afternoon, and trying out the boat now that we had fixed all the leaks and all the new wiring was done and stuff. There's a lot more to do on the boat, but it was a lot of fun. Just hanging out with my son. Yeah, the ship hit the Sunshine Skyway about I don't know, 35 years ago, something like that, and took that down. Terrible what happened last week. Anyway, slim pickings at that location, and it seems to be getting quite rough. But even my balance is really good. Oh, it's a really good platform because it didn't seem too bad fishing. It's not particularly dry boat. Especially if you're a passenger. Oh, Maximilian caught a good old sea trout there and filleted it up for us. And my wife went ahead and fried it this evening. And as you can see, it's sizzling away. A little bit of butter, a bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, and it turned out really, really nice. Kind of a sweet, flaky fish, a little bit softer than I normally like, but had a really nice flavour to it, and not too fishy. And yeah, it was a good little meal. It's always nice to finish a day with eating something that you caught earlier. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.